Like to keep this handy for close encounters.
I heard that.
What's the funny guy doing?
Yeah, the guy in back of us, Buzz.
Yeah, he'll have his wardrobe cleaned and burned. All right.
What are we gonna do with them?
Oh, don't worry. I'll figure out what we are going to do with them.
Okay. What are you looking at?
Nothing. I told you not to fool with those guys.
You read too many comic books.
He's real abstract. He's different.
That's right. That's right. I'm cute, too. Was that meaning me?
Was that meaning me? Chicken.
How about you?
I got my card. Want to go with me?
I'm cute.
Cute? Baby ducks are cute. I hate cute.
Thought only punks fought with knives.
Well, who's fighting? Now, you understand the action. Now, there's no sticking. Crunch. Just a little jabbing. That's all.
Cute? Baby ducks are cute. I hate cute.
Chicken. 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 Chicken.
Cute? Baby ducks are cute. I hate cute.
Chicken. Chicken. Now you cut off a button and you get the joint of chicken. Say the word, Jack, and you're dead. Chicken. They're tearing me apart.
Cute? Baby ducks are cute. I hate cute.
Chicken.